Ever feel like your emotions are in the driver's seat? Well, there's a simple rule to fix that. So let's start with a wild thought. What if every feeling just had an off switch? Well, science says they kinda do. And the magic number? Just 90 seconds. This is the 90-second rule. It's how long it takes for those emotional chemicals to flush out. Now let that sink in. Anything after 90 seconds, that's you choosing to feel that way. So why is this so hard? Because your emotional brain is crazy fast, like 500,000 times faster. And the result of that speed? A whopping 90% of our decisions are purely emotional. So your rational mind isn't even driving. It's just the narrator making sense of the chaos later. This isn't a new idea. The Stoics had it figured out. You don't control the waves, you just ride them. You can't stop that first chemical wave, but the second one, the mental story, that's all you. Okay, so how do we use this? Simple. Start seeing your emotions as data, not as your boss. Your true superpower, it lives in that tiny gap between a feeling and your reaction to it. All right, here's the playbook. Acknowledge it, see it as data, wait out the 90 seconds, then you choose. Sounds small, right? But these little choices are what literally shape who you become. Think of it as compound interest for your life. Just aim to get 1% better every single day. Because that tiny daily effort, it makes you an incredible 37 times better in just 1 year. So yeah, real success isn't a sprint. It's the compound interest you earn on your emotional choices. Ultimately, it's not about finding yourself. It's about creating yourself, one choice at a time. So I'll leave you with this. What 90-second wave are you gonna let pass today?